Mckenna!
Hey!
Hi. How's it going?
Oh, good. A little nervous.
You didn't seem so convinced.
Yeah.
Why are you nervous? What are we doing?
Well, we're going skydiving.
Skydiving!
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Welcome out to Skydive DeLand. We're stoked to have you. What's the occasion for your skydive today?
Oh, just here, visiting some friends. We all decided to go.
Just doing it to do it? No special occasion, holiday, anything?
Not really.
Hi!
Just to do it with Nikki here.
Awesome. Nikki's showing everybody a good time today.
Yeah.
Cool. We're about ready to go. Anything you want to say before we do it?
No.
Nothing at all?
No last words.
All right, put her there. Let's just go have some fun, huh?
Yeah.
Guys. I don't know. Yeah, Mckenna! What do you think?
I was so terrified.
Let me help you out. Yeah, girl.
Fun, though.
You rocked it. That was awesome.
I'm excited to see that video. I was freaking out.
What was your favorite part?
Like after the parachute was pulled.
Gets a little bit more quiet then, huh?
Yeah.
Nice job. Thanks for coming to Skydive DeLand. Yeah. Yeah.